Hey guys, if you're new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. I meant box. I threw the box already. So yeah, in today's month, I got my usual 5 items, and I did add on, I added on 3 things, I think. Yeah, okay, so I added 3 things, add-ons. First thing that I got is a primer. This one is by Dr. Brands, and this is their Pores No More Illuminizer primer. This is the packaging right here. And I'm gonna go and take it out. I am wearing this primer right now. I did wear it with this look. I will be uploading a tutorial for this look probably after this video. Yeah, after this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just wait. This is what the primer looks like. And I thought it was going to be clear, but it wasn't. It's not. And it smells pretty good. It's like a little beige creamy color. And I really like this primer. It really did minimize my pores, but it's a luminizer, and I thought it was going to make me oily or even make my pores look bigger, and they didn't. Like, my skin looks so good right now, girl. I fell in love with this for the first time that I tried it. To you guys from the app what it says about the primer. Okay, so first the retail price for this primer is $38. Hashtag no filter. This skincare meets makeup primer from skincare powerhouse Dr. Brands Skincare gives skin an instant soft focus effect that helps improve skin over time. How does the magic happen? Optical diffusers. These tiny particles blur the appearance of pores and create a smooth canvas for flawless makeup application. And I do believe that. You guys can see my skin right now. It looks amazing. Tea tree oil and lentil seed extract work together to help define pores. This creamy formula contains illuminating powders that reflect light for a dewy, glowy finish. Next thing I got is an eyeliner. This one is from 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘼𝑔𝑡𝑦, and this is their Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. And I believe I got a brown, a brown one. It's in the shade Coffee or Cafe. So this is, I like how the packaging is all matte. I love matte stuff, and it looks really pretty. I'm not wearing this today. I am wearing a black liner, but next time I will wear it. Ooh, that is pigmented. Super pretty. I've never gotten anything from 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘼𝑔𝑡𝑦. I've never tried them or heard of them, so I'm pretty excited to try this eyeliner. So this eyeliner retails for $16. This deep chocolate brown liquid liner creates everything from dramatic wings to supple flicks with ease. Feel free to laugh when you cry. This long-lasting matte formula won't fade, smear, or smudge. The precise felt tip glides onto your lids smoothly, no tugging, and deposits richly pigmented color evenly. The pen-like design gives you lots of control over where you apply your liner and more time flaunting your gorgeous eye looks. The next thing is a palette. The thing that I love about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is that they always send you a palette, a face palette or an eyeshadow palette. I don't remember never getting a palette when I switched over to Ipsy Plus. I really love that about that. So this one is the Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette by Laura Geller. This is the packaging, and then this is the back. I like how it's a little. Scared the shit out of me. I thought an eyeshadow fell out. Oh my god. So it's the same packaging as the box. I'm not wearing this today just because I do want to try it out on its own. It has 4 eyeshadows, 1 blush, and 1 highlighter, I believe. Yeah. Hello, camera. So this is the palette right here. It's really cute and tiny. I think it's good for traveling because it has everything you need in a palette except for bronzer. But this is like, this little palette retails for $14. Among all the concrete and skyscrapers of New York City and secret gardens, blooming rooftops, and iconic parks, it's those hidden gems that inspire this face palette. Complete with a color blush, bronzer, highlighter. Oh, also that's a bronzer highlighter. Interesting. And 4 neutral shadows, 3 mattes, and 1 shimmer. This palette has everything you need to create a glowy look. The smooth powders are infused with protective vitamin E and nourished grapeseed oil to treat your skin at the same time. So the next thing is by Purlisse. I love Purlisse. Their skincare is, well, the things that I've tried for them, I really liked. This is another skincare product. This is their Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. It gently cleanses your skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes, and it's soap and sulfate free, and it's for all skin types. So when I saw this, I was like, damn girl, I haven't used this yet. I'm probably going to be using it today after I remove my makeup just to see how it works. And it's pretty huge. Like, look at my hands. They're like a huge box. Damn, yeah, this is huge. It's cute packaging. It's blue. Did I open it already? It smells really pretty. It smells like their matcha green tea moisturizer. I love this stuff. This is the third time. This is the third one I purchased. I just love it so much. It leaves my skin feeling amazing. So I'm excited to use this as well, because if I like that, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. And I love milk, so you know. I'm not going to drink it or anything, but you know. Never mind. Cleansing milk retails for $36. This 4-in-1 cleansing milk is a multitasking superhero. It cleanses, removes makeup, tones skin, and soothes your complexion all at once. The sulfate and soap-free formula removes dirt and excess oil without stripping or irritating dry, sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, so that's a plus. A blend of soy milk, soy proteins, whole oats, and white tea soothes and moisturizes your skin while you wash. It's totally safe for your eye area, so go ahead and use it to remove a liner and mascara before bed. Okay, the next thing is by 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘖, aka Lady Gaga. This is one of her lip glosses in the shade 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘖. I've always had a hard time pronouncing that name, but you guys know what I mean, okay? This is the packaging right here. Actually, I'm wearing that gloss right now on top of my lipstick. It is a cute gloss. It's kind of sparkly, but you can't really tell because it's a hint of sparkle. So this is the packaging right here. And it is a pretty... So it is just a little pink, shimmery, little tiny shimmery moment right there. Really, really pretty. I'm actually going to apply some more, because why not? I'm a gloss whore, so when I saw I was going to get this gloss, I was like, hell yeah. And I love Gaga, so plus. This gloss retails for $18. Created by Lady Gaga herself, this hydrating lip gloss makes a serious statement, whether you wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lip color. Light reflecting pearl pigments give lips a mirror-like shine without feeling gooey and sticky. #bless. And yeah, it's not sticky or anything. It's really comfy. No need to swatch and swipe up. And swipe like crazy to find your perfect shade. This universal flattering sheer pink color looks gorgeous on all skin tones. Okay, so onto the add-ons. The first add-on I did buy is a brush by Luxie. This is their This is their 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. I like the color and it is so fluffy. Then I'm going to use it probably for blush. I tried using it for highlighter and it didn't do anything. So I'm pretty sure it's not for highlighter. I did pay $3 for this. So $3 for this brush is a pretty good deal. and it's so soft. And I've had other brushes by Lexi and they're really good, so that's why I was like, I'm gonna swoop this one up. The next thing is by, well, the next two things are both from Sugar Beauty. Sugar. One is their Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in the shade I'll Be Black, and this one is the, I'm not wearing this one yet because I'm wearing another one, but I do want to try it. I just swatched it on my hand earlier and it is a really pigmented. So I love eyeliner, so if I can get one every month, that'd be cool. This was also $3. And then the last add-on that I got is also by Sugar, and this is a matte. This is their Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Viola. Right here. This was also $3. And that's the swatch. It is a really pretty shade. That's why I got it, because I don't think I have any lipsticks like this. But watch, I'm going to end up finding one. But yeah, that's why I got it, because it is really, really pretty. And I was actually thinking of wearing this underneath my gloss today, but this was a little, I thought this was a little bit too dark for the eye look, so I went with something lighter. And yeah, but I'm gonna be wearing this one pretty soon. I didn't show you guys the bag. What the fuck? So this is the bag. Really, really cute. And then on the inside, it's yellow. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to know how I got this eye makeup, watch the video after this one. Okay, bye guys.